Hi, this session explains you how you will use this notebook, this Notion notebook. Remember that everything related to this course you will get inside this notebook. This is, I call it as open source book on the MERN stack. You will get everything over here. You will get code snippets, notes, explanations, examples, detailed theory, everything you will get over here. In addition to that, in future what I will do, I will add YouTube videos, I will embed YouTube videos in this notebook itself. For example, if you want to learn the database normalization, YouTube videos are added to the particular section inside this book. So that will help you in understanding theory and video simultaneously. Also, this book is created in such a way that you can navigate easily. Everything is divided into the sections, subsections, and the subsections. So you can navigate easily from one section to another section, one module to the another module. So that's what I have written over here. You may read it if you want. But whatever I explain, same thing is written over there. Thank you.